Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing a wig that I purchased from Wig Encounters. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. And if you're here watching my videos, please support me, support my channel, help me grow, and subscribe. Thank you. Also, slide in the DMs if you guys got any questions. On a side note, if you guys haven't watched some of my more recent videos, a few things that have changed and will change going forward. Since that hair company reached out to me asking me to review hair and it wasn't the best, I do ask that you guys wait for my 1 month update about any hair that you guys see me purchase here on my channel. Just because I don't want anyone to purchase anything based on my initial excitement and then get something that may not be as good. Secondly, I have now implemented, going forward, that anytime I purchase a wig or hair extensions, it's no longer going to be purchased under my name. So we'll see what they're sending everybody, because, you know, my name is, I don't want to say it's common, but I don't really see any YouTubers on here talking about hair and their name being Kim. So just to make sure that, you know, I get what you guys will get, I'm going to be doing that going forward. But let's just get right into the unboxing. I am excited. I don't know if you guys know Aaliyah's face on YouTube or on Instagram. She seems pretty real. I saw her talking about a wig that she had received, and not necessarily the fact that she spoke about it, but I just like the way the hair looked. Now, the one thing that kind of led me to purchase the hair was they said it was Remy hair. And I have to applaud them for that. I feel as though they have set the tone. Like, okay, we're not going to claim this is virgin hair. We're not going to claim this is raw hair. We're going to tell you it's Remy hair, which means at some point in time it was processed. So I could really appreciate that. I think I spent a little bit more than I wanted to spend. This box, this package is a struggle for your girl. But I think I spent a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but there's always a look that I'm going for whenever I'm looking at hair or looking at a new wig, and I like the way that it looked in her video, so I decided to purchase it and try it out. And as long as I can get this box open, I can let you guys know what I think about this Remy hair wig. That was a doozy. Alright, so it has the name of the company on the outside, which is Wig Encounters. And I'm certain I got like 18-inch wig in 150% density. But don't quote me. The information will be up on the screen if that information is incorrect. Alright, so here is the wig. So 18-inch free gifts. A wig cap. Cap construction, 4-inch parting space, lace front, glueless cap. 180% density, natural black. Yes, bleached knots on the front of the lace. Okay. So it's 180% density. Alright. I have a ton of wig caps because I purchased them from like DHG. So I'm like, okay, I'm starting my YouTube channel. I definitely need to have wig caps. But a lot of these wig companies, when you buy wigs, they send you caps. So I don't want to say that was like a waste, but it was kind of like a waste. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Trying to get that mesh off of it. The lace feels decent. Cap construction, I guess, is as expected or should be expected. Let's check for the short strands. Not too bad on the short strands. I gotta check and see how much I paid. I'm gonna tell you guys in a second what's going through my mind once I figure out how much I paid for this. I want to say it was like $2 something. Okay, $157.42. Not 100% bad. I don't know what to make of it, and I'll tell you where I stand with that. So as you guys know, here on my channel, I've been trying out some of the cheaper hair companies, like the AliExpress type companies, and in a few cases, well, one so far, the hair felt like it might have been nice, but at the same time, like the hair was limp. And I didn't really like that. Now I'm not gonna, like that particular wig, I'm not gonna do anything with it because I already customized it, but I just want to make sure I don't get the same vibe from this, because if I do, I believe they have like a 15-day money-back guarantee. This joint will be going back. So that's why I said what I said. It does feel very soft. You know, I do see my expectations are not set high because they already, like I said, they set the tone. This is a Remy hair wig. I guess we will see what happens. Doesn't feel bad. There's short strands, but they're not overdone, which I like. I don't know. I guess we'll see when I style it. It says it can be glueless, which I like. I don't know. Doesn't feel bad. It really doesn't feel bad. I don't want to say like I can't find a bad thing to say about it. We'll know more when I actually wear the hair, but it does feel really soft. Yeah, so I'll install it. I wish there was a little bit more parting space. I know a lot of companies now are doing like 6x6 closures. I kind of wish this was 6 inches of parting space rather than just 4 inches, because like that's like it, and that's not enough. But again, I didn't pay a lot of money for the wig. The hairline, it's a nice hairline, very nice natural looking hairline. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. I'll come back to you guys and give you an update. If they're saying it's glueless, I'm going to hope that it's glueless and try to rock it as a glueless wig. But I'm excited enough about it. So a little backstory about me. Years ago, I decided to start my own hair company. I started selling hair, and I was buying hair from China, and I bought from this one vendor. The hair felt really, really soft. I had spent like maybe like $1,000 and got like a ton of bundles. And I realized that the hair was limp. So it felt really soft, but the hair was limp. I'm like, this is not what we talked about. This is not real hair. Sent it back, got my money back. Bought from another hair company, and that hair felt like hair. It wasn't limp, but it tangled like crazy. So even though I'm not, I guess, like technically an expert, like I've been around hair for quite some time to know when hair is good, hair may not be good. Now this is Remy hair, and I remember Remy hair back in the day. I don't remember it quite feeling like this. This does feel like light, and it's giving me vibes that it may possibly be limp. I don't want to put that out there because it's, you know, the first video, initial impressions, but I'm just letting you guys know what I'm feeling, which is why you keep seeing me like run my hands through it, trying to get a feel for the hair and just trying to figure out, like, you know, is it something I want to get into. The other wig that I have from an AliExpress hair company, it felt like limp. And I don't want to say like I'm almost getting the same vibes from this, but I kind of feel like I might be. So what I'm going to do before I do any kind of customization on this wig, I'm going to co-wash it, hang it up to dry, not cut the lace off it or anything like that, and see what I get out of it. If it's limp after it's been co-washed, I'm going to send it back because I don't want to deal with limp hair. Like, it's one thing for it to be processed, for it to be Remy, but I can't do limp. I just can't. So we'll do that, see what happens, and then I will take it from there. But it doesn't feel bad. I'll say that. It doesn't feel bad. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.